In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Zoho Books app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, by updating your Zoho Books app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that you might be experiencing with your Zoho Books mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To update this app, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go and look for this app called Play Store. Then from here, using this search bar on top here, go ahead and search for your app by name. If you can't see this search bar, head down to a search icon here. You should see it. Just tap on it and then just search for your app by name, Zoho, just like this. And to search, tap on the search icon here. Now here you can see we have our Zoho Books accounting app here. If you tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Zoho app. To get it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Zoho Books app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and open your latest version of Zoho Books app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Zoho Books. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.